Mr. Excel podcast is sponsored by Easy Excel. Rev up to Excel 2010, Chapter 15, Color Sort. When I first heard about this feature back in Excel 2007, I thought it was really silly. But you know what? People do crazy things with their Excel spreadsheets, things that I would never do. Here's someone coded the sales rep by color. So all of the red cells are Angie, and then all the orange cells are Betty, and yellow cells are Chad. This is horrible. I mean, how do you add anything up or sort or do anything? Well, the beautiful thing about Excel 2007 and Excel 2010 is we can go to Data, Sort, and we can say, hey, look, we want to sort by amount, but we don't want to sort on the values. We want to sort on the cell color. Now, you have choices here, cell color, font color, or the cell icon that was added in by conditional formatting. And, oh, by the way, cell color could work with conditional formatting command. So if your cells have been colored through conditional formatting, it'll work. And what we want to do here is we want to put the red on top. All right, now this is going to be a little bit tedious. Luckily, we're allowed more than 3 levels because we're going to need a bunch of levels. I'm going to copy that level and say that we want red on top and then orange. Copy that level and then yellow. Copy that level, red, orange, yellow, green. Copy, blue, and copy, and then finally the purple. All right, so there's the order they want everything to do. And then click OK, and you'll see that they sort the data now into the proper sequence. Now, of course, if we had control over the person who was doing this, we would tell them to stop. If they're sending us this as a one-time thing, then we would go through and add a real sales rep column over here. If they're sending us to this every day and we don't have control over them, well, yeah, then we get a resume up and try and find another place to work because this is going to drive us crazy. No, you write a macro or something like that. But anyway, sorting by color, nice feature that came along in Excel 2007, also there in Excel 2010. Hey, let me undo. If you just need to bring all the red cells to the top, you can right-click and under Sort, put selected cell color on top, and it brings all of the red to the top. So if you just need to bring one particular color to the top, you can do that, or even filter by that one color. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. See you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.